In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix NordVPN when it's not connecting. We'll keep it simple and systematic so you can get back online quickly and securely. Start by confirming that your internet works without the VPN. Disconnect from NordVPN entirely, then open a few websites you visit regularly and make sure they load normally. Try something lightweight like a search page and then a page with images or video. If those pages don't load, the issue isn't the VPN, so focus on restoring your internet connection first and come back to the VPN once the network is stable. On public or guest Wi-Fi, look for a browser prompt to sign in or accept terms before testing, because VPN connections often require that initial access. If your internet is fine, give everything a clean restart, reboot your computer or phone, and also power cycle your router and modem. Unplug the modem, then the router, wait about 30 seconds, and plug the modem back in first. When it's light stabilized, plug the router back in and let it fully start. This clears out temporary glitches and renews your network session, which often resolves stubborn connection problems. That short pause allows your network gear to fully reset and refresh its leases. Next, use NordVPN's built-in diagnostics to reset networking components. Open the NordVPN app, go to Settings, then General, then Diagnostics. There you'll see the Reset Network option. Run that tool and follow any prompts. It refreshes network adapters and related configurations NordVPN relies on. If you're asked for permission or an administrator password, that's normal for network changes. When the reset completes, restart your PC to apply the changes system-wide. That restart is important for the fix to stick. Once you're back up, try connecting again, and if it still doesn't work, switch to a different server location. Choose another city or nearby country to see if the issue is tied to a single server or region. Servers can occasionally be busy or under maintenance, so picking a different one can immediately clear the roadblock. As a rule of thumb, closer servers usually provide more reliable speeds and quicker connections. If it connects, you can keep using that server and carry on. To wrap up, the flow is: verify your regular internet without the VPN, restart your devices and network gear, run the reset network tool inside NordVPN and restart your PC, then try a different server location. Moving through these steps in order helps isolate the problem and fixes the most common causes without guesswork. Follow along exactly, take your time between each step, and you should be connected again in just a few minutes.